12 4K dashcam wireless CarPlay Android Auto ADAS car DVR 5G Wi-Fi, GPS FM front camera 4K 2160p plus rear camera, 1080p 10.26, IPS touchscreen 135 degrees wide angle. UP to 8 million pixels to achieve true 42,160p 4K UHD resolution, which can help us capture license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. If you don't choose rear camera, it is single lens. Adopt upgraded H265 video code. Compared with H264 video code, H265 has better image quality and use less storage. SPACE reduce by more than 30%. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto plus wired Android Auto. The product connects wireless CarPlay and Android Auto via Bluetooth, then it will automatically switch to Wi-Fi for data transmission. Then you can use GPS navigation, make a call, receive and dispatch messages, listen to music, etc. Support Android 10 or above mobile phone, not include Huawei mobile phone. GPS navigation in CarPlay mode. The DVR can realize the GPS navigation function, and you can directly wake up the voice assistant and say your destination. It will help you plan your route, which is more convenient and safe for your drive. Note: the DVR